This Faceless YouTube channel is making over $30,000 every single month with extremely simple YouTube shorts. In fact, I was able to create over 100 of the same YouTube shorts in just 1 hour of work. I was able to do this all for free. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to do this, from generating the ideas to editing the videos, and we will be automating this entire process by using AI. But first, please consider liking and commenting on this video, as it would mean the world to me. So first, we need to come up with the idea. I was scrolling across YouTube when I stumbled upon this channel uploading motivational videos with quotes. And these videos are getting tens of millions of views. And I thought that I most definitely can make a better video than these were and get even more views. So the first thing we will need is to get our quotes from ChatGPT, because I'm not original enough to find our own quotes. Originally, I asked for motivational quotes, but it wasn't quite what I was looking for. So I decided to find some quotes that I already liked and I wanted my video to be modeled after, and I asked ChatGPT to give me quotes similar to the ones I provided. And be sure to ask nicely, as there might be a day where AI takes over the world, and by simply saying please and thank you, you could save yourself a lot of trouble. The goal is to train ChatGPT to not be stupid and to generate the quotes that we like. So when it generated quotes similar to the ones that I provided, I chose my top 2 or top 3 of the quotes they asked, and I told ChatGPT that I liked these the best. I did this for a little bit, and by the end, I had conditioned ChatGPT to give me the perfect quotes that I liked for this specific type of video. Once trained, I asked it to generate 50 to 100 quotes, and we would just span up these videos every day to build our channel. Now that we have the quotes, we just need to get the audio. The original videos did not have any audio or anyone reading the quotes out loud, but this is a way that we can stand out, and we don't even need to use our own voice. With the help of 11 AI labs, we can turn our quotes into audio. Now you can only generate 10,000 characters per month with the free version, but each quote is an average of 100 characters. Now the best setting I have found for these quotes that feel like could be in a motivational video are as follows. Pick the pre-made voice of Adam, turn the stability to 50%, and the clarity to 75%. This will give you an audio that sounds something like this.
When the world challenges your abilities, embrace the opportunity to prove them wrong. For within every doubt lies the potential to unleash your true greatness.
Once you have the audio downloaded as a file, we're now going to go to Pixlr AI, a free editing service that has some really nice features, including auto subtitles and access to thousands of otherwise copyrighted footage and music. Once you sign up for Pixlr, hit the Edit Videos Using Text option, and then upload your audio clip. From there, your video will load and auto subtitles will be generated over your video. You can play around with the settings, but I personally like the italic subtitles in the middle of the screen the best. Once we have the subtitles done, we can work on the B-roll footage. For this, all I did was go to the Visuals tab and search up motivational quote background. You can play around with some of the searches to find different things, but the one I like the best is motivational philosopher background, and I chose a darker themed one. You can choose anything that you like for the background, but find like 5 of them that are a bit different that work, save them, and then you'll use these for every single one of the videos that you upload. Now simply drag and drop the background footage over the video and make sure everything is covered correctly. The next step is music. For music, I decided to find the more popular motivational TikTok sounds that people use for these videos and just use the same thing. If it works for them, it works for us. The song that I chose was Hennessy Sahara, and I'm sure you recognize the sound if you've been on TikTok really ever. I put that over the background, and by the end, here's what the video looked like.
When the world challenges your abilities, embrace the opportunity to prove them wrong. For within every doubt lies the potential to unleash your true greatness.
In my opinion, that is pretty good, and arguably better than the one that got 47 million views. What, that took us 2 to 3 minutes to get an 11-second video done, just like that. You can crank these out so fast. It's actually insane. Either way, if you guys are enjoying today's video, subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.